You've spent years stacking crypto, but it always feels trapped behind the screen. What if you could take your ETH or stable coins and go buy a coffee or a plane ticket as easy as using a debit card without ever giving up control of your keys? MetaMask has officially bridged the gap between DeFi and daily life with a card that lets you spend directly from your self-custodial wallet anywhere Mastercard is accepted. You have instant conversion at point of sale. No more manual off-ramping to a centralized exchange. Your crypto stays in your wallet, earning you yield or holding value until the exact millisecond you tap to pay. That way, safety meets convenience. Unlike traditional bank cards, you maintain custody. If you don't like a merchant or want to pause spending, you control the permissions directly from your MetaMask extension or mobile app. You can pay with crypto and earn benefits on-chain and IRL. You have seamless spending, you are in control, one-tap funding, and on-chain rewards. And they also launched stablecoin integration with MUSD. By using MetaMask's own stablecoin, MUSD, you can lock in your purchasing power and avoid price swings while you're out shopping. And they offer both physical and virtual cards. You can start with a virtual card instantly for online shopping or order a sleek metal physical card for IRL use. It has global reach. The card is rolling out across major regions, making global travel with crypto a reality. There are so many companies already trusting the card of MetaMask. Monerium, Mastercard, which they're working together, Linea, Circle, Tether, CL, and many other projects like Aave. MetaMask is the everything wallet. You can buy and swap tokens, trade perpetuals. You have the MetaMask rewards now available to you using their card, and you have all the available networks assets in one place. And you can earn on your crypto, generating a passive income. MetaMask offers the ability to connect also to crypto decentralized applications, and it gives the best rates aggregating through thousands of services. And if you're an NFT collector, you can collect, trade, and save your NFTs all through the MetaMask wallet. And one thing I've seen is that MetaMask is the most secure wallet when it comes to DeFi. It is trusted by millions of users. It gives you security alerts, a front-run protection, and wallet guard built in. They also have a 24/7 support for real-time threat monitoring. And with all these features, their card is rolling out across major regions, making global travel with crypto a reality. And you can choose the card between virtual or physical, or start with a virtual card instantly for online shopping and order a sleek metal physical card for IRL use. Stop just holding your crypto. Start living on it. Head to the portfolio dashboard in the link below to see if you're eligible for the MetaMask card today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.